Hi, I'm Regina Tolbert. This is Getting Started with the Microsoft CSP or Cloud Solution Provider Program. When getting started with the Cloud Solution Provider Program, or CSP, there are a variety of business decisions that need to be made, including whether or not you're going to be a CSP direct or indirect partner. Now, we here at Microsoft expect that most of you partners out there will move forward with the indirect CSP model. Now, once that decision is made, you'll need to focus on your unique value proposition. There are many partners out there selling similar solutions, so you need to be sure to identify and clearly articulate why customers should choose your organization over other CSP partners. In addition, your sales and marketing strategy needs to be documented and executed. This will drive, you need to consider digital marketing. This drives the biggest impact today. How are you going to do this? Next, you need to focus on adjustments that might need to be made within your organization. Think through your internal business processes that need to be adjusted for CSP, and then spend some time determining how you'll manage your customer business relationships. Work with your team on how to introduce CSP to new as well as existing customers, including identifying upsell motions. Now, when you're moving to CSP, there are also some financial considerations that should be addressed. In the area of cash flow, CSP introduces a model where incremental revenue is received over many months, so you want to be sure to address this with your internal processes. In the area of compensation, you do need to think about this for your sales team. It'll likely need to be reconsidered, along with scrutiny into where additional investments are going to be required. Perhaps you're going to bring in some new personnel, invest in infrastructure, maybe co-sell some ISV applications to supplement the offerings that you're preparing for CSP. So be sure to consider those financial costs. In addition to that, think about the costs associated with developing intellectual property. Maybe you need to cover some development costs, updates, or possible upgrades. Next, you'll want to think about the end customer costs for your CSP bundles that you're creating, including the managed services that you're going to provide. Are there any costs that you haven't addressed? Perhaps there are costs associated with delivery, training, or follow-up support that you need to think about. To help facilitate these decisions, Microsoft provides several CSP resources that many partners have found helpful. Be sure to review the Microsoft Partner Network CSP websites for details.